This is the LEMFO LEF3. It's an Android 7.1.1 smartwatch with all the fancy bells and whistles we've come to know from this type of a watch. You've got notifications pushed from your phone, a complete app drawer full of all kinds of stock apps, and your step count information, a weekly graph, your daily step count, distance traveled, and calories burned. You also have access through here to the fitness app. And in the fitness app, we have activities including outdoor run and walk, indoor run, bike riding, and a variety of other sports. When you get into these, you find that it is indeed tethered to GPS so that your activities are recorded with the highest accuracy of distance derived from GPS, which is a really nice feature that not all these watches have. It's a beautifully built watch with a very sophisticated combination TPU and leather band with solid metal back, buttons, and bezel. It's a great watch, ambient time display, and built-in custom watch faces as well. The LEMFO LEF3. Check it out.